5-minute workout to replace high-intensity cardio? You're searching for an exhausting activity to skip the gym, isn't it? Well, in fact, there are some quick interval training sessions which are really useful to sweat a lot of calories away. We have 5 simple exercises with a 1-minute duration for each of them. Let's start the main course, shall we? Full plank. Lay down on your belly on the ground. Then lift your body supported on your arms and toes. Your palms should rest on the floor, just below the shoulders, and arms straight and firm. Keeping the toes on the floor to support the body weight, lift your feet, keeping them together or slightly apart. Use your hips and buttocks to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't hang your stomach, keep it firm and tense. Your body will stay on this line, making a low angle with the floor. Try to breathe normally while you remain in this posture for the 1-minute countdown. Do you know plank is one of the best basic exercises for core conditioning? Traditional planks are most significant to tone down your stomach, glutes, back, and core. Not only that, your legs, arms, and hamstrings become stronger gradually when you perform this pose every day. Moreover, it improves your balance while building a good posture. Now we can move on to the next plank. Yep, plank again. This one's called elbow plank. This one is almost similar to the basic one, only you support your body on your elbows instead of palms. Keep the same posture on your stomach and raise your body on the toes and elbows. Your forearms should stay firm straight just under the shoulders. You can join your palms by locking the fingers into a fist if you like. Engage your belly, butts, and hips to remain on a straight line from head to heels. Make sure to breathe normally. This posture will last for 60 seconds only. If it feels harder, take 15 to 20-second periods in the beginning and rest for a while to continue 3 to 4 reps. Like the basic one, this exercise also works on your abs, obliques, buttocks, back, core, legs, and arm muscles. Okay, enough planks for today. Let's stretch in the opposite way this time. It's Superman. Lay on your belly as before. Now raise your hands and legs upwards while keeping your belly flat on the floor. Your body will be supported on your stomach only, this time, especially on the lower portion of your abdomen. Hold there for 2 to 3 seconds and come back to the initial state. Continue this exercise for 20 to 30 repetitions in 1 minute constantly. Then take some rest to normalize the breath a bit by lying down on your back and keeping your posture straight on the floor. If it feels hard to continue for 30 reps continuously, you may break it into 2 to 3 sets to start with. Gradually increase the repetitions in each set and take shorter break times in between to get the best results out of it. This one hits mostly on your lower abs and chest muscles along with arms, back, glutes, belly, thighs, and other leg muscles. Okay, let's get up to do some squats. Stand on the ground, placing your feet at the shoulder width or slightly wider. Lay your hands straight in front of you or make a fist with 2 palms together. Then crouch your body down. Pull the pelvis back in such a way that you are about to sit on a chair. Crouch as low as you can while keeping your thighs parallel to the ground and back remaining straight. Hold a bit in that position and then slowly return to the initial state. Repeat this simple exercise only for a minute. Again, beginners can break this session in 2 to 3 sets and may take 30-second breaks in the middle. This full body exercise is really effective to replace your heavy equipment gym training. To make it more challenging and excess fat burning, you can carry some weight in your hands such as a dumbbell, 1 gallon of water, or a medicine ball. This workout creates strain in all your leg muscles, glutes, back, and abdominal muscles. The fun fact is you can do it anytime, anywhere. Follow your breath, inhale when you crouch, and exhale while getting up. Stick to the daily plan and see the difference just under 1 month. You're doing just perfect. We will start our last one in today's session, and it's mountain climber. Do you know the calorie burning rate in this exercise? It's 10 calories per minute if you weigh 130 pounds. Surprised? Try for a while and you'll understand yourself. Keep the arms straight. Hold your body weight on the palms and toes. Now tense your abs and hips upwards and raise the right leg. Then bend the right knee and pull the leg to your chest. Back and hips must stay firm. Now return this leg to its initial position and pull the left leg forward in a similar manner. Then go back and repeat the same process each time. Continue for at least 60 seconds. Mountain climber strengthens your stomach muscles along with glutes, back, arms, and legs. Moreover, it works on your knees, and doing it regularly keeps the knee strong. Try to increase your speed day by day. The more speed you gain, the more calories are burned during the process. But be cautious, if you have knee pain, you should go slow. Okay, enough cardio for a one-day session. Now, before we say goodbye, let's remind you 3 most important things for cardio sessions: enough sleep, protein-rich food, staying hydrated for all day long. If you don't follow these 3 things, your muscles won't get many resources to recover and may get hurt during the intense workout process. Like the video? Then like us below and subscribe to stay tuned, stay healthy, goodbye.